How to use GearUp Booster. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open GearUp Booster. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Play Store. Then here you can click on games. You'll find all the games available in your device. Now select the game. After you've selected the game, press on Boost. You will need to select the region, or you can press on auto select and it will auto select it for you. After you've selected the region, press on Boost. And you will need a free trial, or which it means is you will need a subscription of GearUp to turn on the feature. You will need to buy any of these, which is 1 month trial, 1 week, 12 months, and the prices are included as well. And after you do that, it will turn on. And from here, you can also click on Boost at the bottom. You'll find all your boosted apps. And if you click on Me at the bottom right, you will be able to see all your account informations, settings, and if you're able to redeem anything. And this is how to use GearUp Booster. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.